Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is usually said that working hard is good, but working smart is the best way. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money teaching online, and I will be guiding you step by step. If you are looking for ways to make money online and you have a knack for teaching, you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you exactly how you can start making money by teaching online. Even if you have never taught before, whether you are an expert in math, English language, any of these languages, science, or even music, there is market for you. So grab your pen and paper because this is going to be a game changer for you. Why teaching online is a great opportunity. Why teaching online is a great opportunity. Let's talk about why teaching online is such amazing opportunity. First, you will get to work from the comfort of your home, which means no commuting, no stress, plus there is incredibly flexible time that you can create for your own schedule. Teach as much as you want or as little as you want. And the best part is you can earn great money from the comfort of your home. Now let's dive in so you can actually uh, get to know how you can teach online and make money while you are teaching online. Step one is to choose a niche or subject. This is probably the most important part, and it's where you need to be honest about your expertise. If you are great in math, you could teach algebra, calculus, or even prepare people for SAT exams. If you are fluent in another language, why not teach English as a second language or help students practice their French language if you know how to speak this or teach this language? Let me give you a couple of examples. Example one, if you are great at English, you can teach grammar, writing skills, or even students. You can prepare them for English proficiency exam like IELTS or TOEFL. Example two, if you if you are a great math quiz or math whiz, you could tutor students on subjects from basic arithmetic to higher level calculus or even statistics. Example three, maybe you love science or you can break down complex subjects like chemistry, biology, or physics into easy to understand lessons for middle or high school students. These are niches that you can actually explore. Step number two is finding the right platform. Finding the right platform is step number two. There are several great online platforms where you can get started with teaching, and they do the marketing for you. Some of these best options are VIP Kids. If you are if you are teaching English to kids, VIP Kids is a platform. It connects teachers with students in China and offer a solid pay structure. I am telling you about this because I know people who are also doing this. With some teachers earning between $14 to $22 per hour. All you need is a bachelor degree and a teaching experience. It will also help, and these are just the basic requirements that you need to get you started. Another platform is Art School. If you want to teach anything from cooking classes to music lessons or even coding, Art School is a fantastic offering class. Is fantastic for offering classes to students of all grade ages. You can set your own rate and teach subjects you are passionate about. Another platform again is Change Tutors. This is perfect if you are into tutoring high school or college level students. They cover subjects like math, science, engineering, and they offer flexible hours. Tutors here can earn between $20 to $30 per hour, depending on your subject area. Another platform again is Preply. Preply is a platform for teaching languages, but you can also tutor other subjects. The pay varies depending on your expertise, but you set your own rate and work with students from all around the world. Step three is setting your pricing. Now you want to make sure your pricing is competitive. but also reflect your which will also reflect your experience. Here is what I recommend. If you are just starting out, you might want to set a lower price point, maybe $10 to $15 per hour, until you build up your reputation with clients, and then you can upscale or increase your price. As you gain experience, you can gradually raise your rate. For example, experienced tutor can easily earn between $25 to $50 per hour, depending on their subject and expertise. For example, if you are teaching English to beginners, your rate might be around $15 per hour. But if you are teaching advanced English or you prepare students for exam like TOEFL or IELTS, you can change from such a lower amount now to a higher price. You can charge as high as $40 to $50 per hour. Step 4. Step 4 is creating your course materials or lesson plan. Whether you are offering one-time class or Whether you are offering one-time class or ongoing class, having a structured lesson plan is key. For instance, if you are teaching math, start with a basic curriculum and prepare materials like worksheets, diagrams, practice problems. If you are teaching a language, create a lesson plan that focuses on grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking practice. Here is an example for teaching English. I might create a lesson plan with sections like vocabulary introduction with pictures and examples, grammar practice with exercise, pronunciation drills using video or audio tools, conversation practice, role playing, common scenarios. These are just what you can do to structure your teaching plan. Step 5 is making your classes. Now that you have set everything up, it's time to get the word out there. Here is how you can do it. Social media is one of the stuff that you can use. Share tutoring services on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Make engaging posts or run ads targeting the audience that needs your expertise. Word of mouth is also another aspect that you can use. Ask your existing students for referrals. Happy students are best advertisers. Another thing that you can do is online ads. If you are willing to invest a little, you can run ads on Facebook or Google to promote your tutoring service. And another one again is online communities. There are online forums like Reddit, Facebook group, LinkedIn groups, where people look for tutoring services. Join this group, interact with people, and they offer your help, and then you'll be engaged and you'll be making money online. Step 6 is providing value and retaining students. Once you have started teaching, make sure you are offering value always and be patient and be ready to go the extra mile for your student. And these students that you are usually going extra mile for, they are good advertisers. They begin to refer you and also make mention of you to their colleagues. If you create a positive learning environment and ensure your students see progress, they will not only continue to take your lessons, but they will also recommend you to others that is the best kind of marketing. And that is it. That is your step-by-step guide to making money by teaching online. Whether you are tutoring maths, language, science, or even art, there's an opportunity out there for you. Just pick your subject, find the right platform, and start sharing your knowledge with people, and you'll be paid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment below, and tell us the major points that you find so useful in this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in my